Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to explore how you can use ChatGPT to write compelling job descriptions that attract the best candidates. Whether you're recruiting for a large team or a small business, an effective job description is your first step to success. I'll be breaking down each essential component, making the process simple and efficient with ChatGPT. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you craft the perfect job description. Let's jump right in. All right, the first thing we need to focus on is the job title and summary. This is the very first impression potential applicants will get, so it needs to be clear and aligned with the role you're hiring for. A well crafted title and summary set the expectations right from the start. So let's see how ChatGPT can help with this. So I'm going to input a prompt asking for a job title and summary for a marketing manager, for instance. So watch how easy it is. I'll just craft it together and then paste and boom, here it is. So here I added like roles, like including marketing strategy, content creation right here, yep, and digital marketing management right over here. Now, easy to press send right about now. Right? This may take just a bit to let ChatGPT process with the results right here. And yep, see, easy peasy. ChatGPT has already recommended you with the results. And yep, here we go. ChatGPT has generated a concise title and a summary right here that clearly defines the role. So this is a quick and easy way to get the key information down without any hassle. See? Now, next, we'll focus on outlining the job responsibilities. So, this is where you outline the daily tasks and long term goals of the position. It's important to be clear and specific here, so candidates understand exactly what they'll be doing. So, let's see how ChatGPT can help us list the most important responsibilities for a, let's say we can go for a marketing manager in the tech industry once again. So I'm going to enter a prompt right over here in the input box that asks for both daily tasks and long-term objectives. So here it is. There we go, easy peasy. And then send this off right now. Once again, just give it a moment for ChatGPT to generate. And yep, here we go. There's the daily tasks. One over here. They collaborate with cross-functional teams. Another one, competitor analysis, social media and community engagement. There are long-term goals like growth of customer base. Another one, content strategy development and data-driven decision making. Yep, here we go. So as you can see right over here, ChatGPT has provided a clear list of responsibilities covering both the day-to-day tasks right over here and also the bigger long-term goals. This makes it easy to communicate the expectations of the role to potential candidates. Quite easy, huh? Let's move on to the qualifications and skills section. This part is crucial because it helps filter out unqualified candidates and sets clear expectations for what's needed to succeed in the role. You'd want to list the minimum education, experience, and skills required. And so, I'm going to ask ChatGPT once again to help us create a list of qualifications for the marketing manager role once again. The once again part is on the marketing manager. We'll still be using the same example. So let's give it some context this time so it knows what's essential. So here's the prompt right over here. So here it is. I want to, for ChatGPT, for the list of required qualifications and skills. Here we go. There's the context right over here. See? The one that I highlighted. So once it's all crafted together and through this prompt, let's hit enter. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button. It would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's see how ChatGPT had processed with the results so far. All right, so here's what ChatGPT has provided. Here we go. Let's look through the results. So here are the solid list of qualifications right here. There we go. Bachelor's degree. There we go. There's 5+ years of proven marketing experience. Proficiency in digital marketing tools like Google Analytics, Google Ads, SEO tools. Over here, examples right here for the CRM systems. Over here, an extra right over here, knowledge of brand positioning and strategy. All right, so they're going down here. Preferred skills, nice to have, like graphic design or video editing knowledge. Here, an example, Adobe Creative Suite. There we go, certification in digital marketing. Here we go. Google Ads, another one, HubSpot, relevant platforms, and yep. So this is great for making sure you attract candidates who are the right fit for the position. See how much detail that ChatGPT has to offer right here through these results? Pretty cool, right? Now that we've defined the role and its requirements right over here, now it's time to focus on describing your company and its culture. This section is important because it gives candidates insight into what it's like to work with you, which helps attract people who align with your values. Now, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help create a compelling company culture description for a mid-sized tech company. Don't worry, this is the same example, just so you can easily follow the steps for you to create your job description, that is. So let's provide some context right over here this time so it knows the kind of environment we're trying to convey. Now, here is the prompt that I put together right over here. Here are more details, as you can see. Now, let's send this off right now. Right, as usual, give it some time to process, and then here we go. See right here, ChatGPT has generated a strong description of the company's culture, emphasizing innovation, teamwork, and opportunities to grow. So, this is perfect for attracting candidates who are not only skilled, but also a great fit for your company's values. Now, while some companies chose not to include this information, being upfront about salary expectations and benefits can really help attract the right candidates and save for time for both parties. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to help us draft a competitive salary range and list of benefits for this role. Once again, the role for marketing manager. So we'll provide it a bit of context to make sure the result aligns with industry standards. Now, here is another prompt that I put together right here. And voila, here we go. Here's some added context like suggesting competitive salary range, including health insurance and the 401k matching. Then let's send this off once again. All right, here it is. See, ChatGPT has provided so far a clear salary range and detailed benefits right here. So this includes the context that I've given through the prompt. Again, health insurance, 401k matching, and even opportunities for professional development, which including this information makes your job posting more appealing and transparent. So let's take a look at the following here. Here's a salary range right over here. And there's the following. Here's some additionals like paid holidays, flexible work schedule, another one, performance bonuses, and another one right here, employee assistant programs as an additional bonus that is. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to craft professional, engaging, and effective job descriptions.